Good day, runners! So, welcome to another vlog. So, for today, this is a different kind of vlog because I'm vlogging the trail here in Japan. So, yes, I will be running the first UTMB event here in Japan, the Kagaspa Endurance 100. But, I will only be running 50 kilometers kasi ko gusto malaspag. No? So, currently, today is June 17 and the event ang event is mahitabo siya on June 21. So, syempre, sa'yo, Mili, para makalaag tagamay. And then, together with me is my family, my baby, my wife. Anyway, so the event will take place is still in Tokyo, pero medyo layo siya. Na siya sa Kagaspa, Yamanaka Onsen, Ishikawa Prefecture. So, need ya mo na mo mag-train or need mo sakay og plane para makaadto dito, no? So, again, I'll be running the 50 kilometers. I'll be documenting everything from the stroll here in the city, from race kit claiming to the event itself. Syempre, the trails of Kagaspa until mahuman ng event, no? So, I'm excited. I don't know what to feel. Hopefully, maka-finish because still, it's an ultra, 50 kilometers with 2.6 elevation gain. And then, medyo tight ang cut-off at 13 hours. So, anyway, I'll see you around. Mag-suroy-suroy sa Tokyo. Bye! We're heading to Tokyo. Goodbye. Where are we going? See you. We are at airport. What airport? Japan. So we are currently here at our favorite country in Asia, Tokyo, Japan. Hello, Japan. Oi.
Tokyo Haneda 空港行きです。
Sabi ng lalaki, sikap ko yung nulun niya. Ay, mas matcha, oh.
Wow. Do you want this? Pancake with strawberry? What do you want? Ginza. Gyukatsu Motomura. Itadakimasu. Lakpak lang, balik. Luto. Depende sa mo. Pwede mo kanon. Pwede po din mo lutoon pa.
Hindi pa open yung mga pag-touch. Oh, minute. Okay. Thank you. Dessert to yan, Ter.
Asa?
Ito.
Kanina yung mga na Grahams.
Oo. Tapos ito kay patong mo sa rice. Patong mo sa rice. Pero medyo maanghang daw. Mura na cute daw kasi. Teka po ba?
Pay ride na isa na nasakyan. Last pag na. Can you say hi? Hi! Oh, you hug? Ah! Who's that? It's Woody. Say hi,
Magana
Woody.
tayo na masakyan mo na. Sige. You want Pocari? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna ride. Ayan.
Bump car sa water. Ali mo dire. Banggain niya ako ah. Prince Ali de 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 de.
Wait, wala English. Translate na to. Na.
After 3 days of strolling in the city of Tokyo, we're gonna be heading to Kagaspa as a starting line para sa Kagaspa to Endurance 100 by UTMB. See you! So we will be riding one of Japan's local airline from Haneda to Komatsu. And then nami-meet na friend, kaya madagan to sa trail sa Kaga. Then after that, sa kanan natin. Bye!
When you say wakarimashita, I say Hitachi, Toyota, Kawasaki, Nintendo, Canon, Sony, Honda. I'm losing my way. Where should I go? Shinjuku so big.
So we are currently here sa CR sa ANA Airline. So we're heading to Kagaspa now. Sa starting line sa UTMB, Kagaspa straight in Endurance 100. Then, meron kami nakasabay. Almost 70% sa mga pasahero, kay trail runners, no? Kita niyo mga trail runners, kaya mga bag, may mga lecky, may mga bag, mga salumon, ilang mga t-shirt, mga Patagonia. Ngayon pinakita ganito, naka-Mont Blanc na siya. No? So, again, most of them are possible trail runners and we're joining also the event. What's that?
Books for her.
Wow, you have a free book? Earphones. Ah, yeah, this one. One earphones. Dili sa Kaga. Dalat na namin sa bag. Huwag na siya Davao. And after that, drop lang with bag sa Airbnb. And then, diretso namin sa race kit claiming. Ako na to, kasi magkita lang to sa expo. Kasi hindi yung makapalit sa Kaga. And after that, kaob lunch. And tulog na for tomorrow's trail run. Ciao! Got the good Komatsu station, then after we're gonna ride the train. Komatsu Station. Ay, ay. Walang English? Paano ba yan? Vlog. Bukuha dito ay very 90s, very laid back. Walang high-rise building. Smile.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly friends. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Hi! So, galing kaming bahay. And then, right now, it's actually 6:45. But the sun is still up. Wala ka pang makikitang madilim. Anyway, galing kaming bahay. Nakapag-prepare na ako ng gamit for tomorrow. Lumabas lang kami for dinner para tuloy-tuloy na yung tulog. And then, let's get some good rest for tomorrow's race. See you! Bye!
This is children's kabuki.
Anong children's kabuki?
It's nice. It's near though.
Welcome to Kaga. Hello, R.
Komatsu Mari. What is this?
Ito guys, sa train, oh.
Yeah.
For the first time in Japan, na-delay tayo ng train. Welcome to the province of Bataan. Very laid back. Very province life. Ah, ito, nakita ko to sa internet. Ito, yan. Yan, yung station na yan. Picture ng station. 2 minutes walk lang, di ba? So, dito lang siya. Okay, malapit lang tayo sa station. Imagine mo pag winter dito. May snow ata dito eh. Oh, malamig ngayon eh.
It's on the side.
Okay lang kung mainit, basta sa trail may ice silang dala. Ililigo. Maligo ng ice. Airbnb. Hello. Ah, hello. This is for the Airbnb. Oh yeah, this one. Is it okay to... Ay, love, open ang room. What do I do? Signature?
ito. Okay?
Yeah, this me.
Me. Okay.
This one, me. Okay.
Okay. Ito. Ito na. 3.
3. This one, 1.
1.
This one, 1.
Ito. 1.
1, okay.
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 ここ、ベッド、
3.
2。
Okay,
3?
Yeah, with baby.
ベイビー、ここ。ここ、ベッド、ダブルやね。どこ
Baby, no.
F14。うん。ダブル。
Hey, cars, ha? Come here.
So, mo na yung Airbnb.
Hold.
Pero ang among room is nasa Picas. I think it's better. And... Family Mart is there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Ito daw? Okay.
Yes.
And then... Oh, picture ikaw dyan, no?
Can I see your very cute bunny smile? What is this? Hands up.
Okay. Good job.
Good job.
Don't do this class.
Because it's nice, no?
Why tatam do the cross?
Who teach you that?
Tatam, is it hot? So hot, no? Pasok kami police station dahil sa nawalang passport ni Ara. So, nasa police station kami. Supposed to be kukuha na kami ng kit, pero yun, kailangan namin pumunta ng police station kasi nawala yung passport ni Ara. And then after that, feel ko naman nasa airport lang kasi sabi niya naman nasa airport lang. Then after that, hanap kami ng makainan. Tapos, diretso na race kit claiming. Di ba? Yes?
Yeah.
Kiss dada.
Why so many cars?
Why so many car? Because it's a city.
Why so
Because there's a road.
much road?
Yeah. So, hopefully naman nahanap. Kasi feel
That's
ko...
tourist.
Yeah. Kasi galing kami sa loob. Tinawagan ni police yung airport. Tapos sabi naman ni Ara kasi sa airport niya lang nawala or sa airplane niya lang nawala for sure. Anyway, after this one, hanap yung makainan. Then punta kami Kaga. And then for race kit claiming. Tapos after that, baka magpahinga na. Bukas na magigising for the race. See you. Bye! Yay! Yay! Nahanap na! Balikan mo na sa airport. Tapos baka si Bianca uuwi. Ako, diretso ako Kaga. If ever chat mo ko, baka nandun pa ako, wala. Uwi na ako, ikaw na mag-claim na sa'yo. Hindi ata pwede ako mag-claim ng kit mo eh. Kasi strict ko sila, di ba?
Kailangan.
Oo, kung sino yung nakapangalan. Ano, iwas init. We are finally here at Kaga Spa, and after 20 minutes of bus travel from Kaga Onsen Station, finally I can claim my race kit. And then after this, we're gonna have some rest. And then for today, let's go get my race kit, and then let's find out kung anong meron sa expo. Baka pwede makabili tayo ng sapatos na gagamitin. Pwede rin gamitin bukas agad. Come on, where's the race kit claim? Hi, where's the race kit claiming?
Yeah.
Race kit claim.
This kit?
Race kit, yeah.
This kit?
Race kit. Race bib.
Yeah. Alana?
Sorry?
Yeah. Store?
Turn left.
Left.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe, I love this part of Japan. Wala kang makikitang mga high-rise buildings. I love that how they preserve the houses and maintain the tradition. Uy. Ganda, ganda. So this is the expo on the race kit cleaning. Okay, let's go. 100K. Where's 50K? 50K? 50K. Yeah. Okay, thank you. 50K. So, kung mainit ngayon, ganito din yung magiging weather bukas. For sure. Yeah, it's okay. I can wait. Sorry.
register here.
Hi.
Do you have the QR code?
Yeah, I have. Passport.
I just want to take your name.
Yeah, from my family.
Oh, wow.
They're here also.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You need to keep
It's just that during my Japan trip, it's not hot.
Yeah, fair enough.
Thank you so much. What's this?
This is for drop back. If you
Finish
want to,
line.
yeah,
Finish line drop bag. So after the race, this is where we put all
Yeah.
our. Okay, all right.
And you need to get your t-shirt at the corner.
Okay, corner. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where? There?
Yeah, that's it. Let's go outside and come to the rep.
All right. Thank you. Got the goods. Thank you. All right. I have my shirt. Sorry, I have my bib. I'm gonna get my shirt. Hi.
はい、こんにちは。
Konnichiwa.
エルください。すいません、ビール。はい、大事なビール。はい、どうぞ。こんにちは。
Thank you.
ください。
すごい100キロ頑張ってください。暑いので。
Got my kit. And then let's go to the expo. We might buy some clothes or shoes maybe. The Mafati X. Hi.
You can try.
No for sale. Ah, okay. It's just for trying. Thank you. Cool. Saan yan? Alright. Thank you so much. Are the shoes for sale? Vibram. Is this for sale? No.
No.
No. Ah,
We
just.
just display and explain about the
Vibram.
technology.
All right.
For the Chinese side.
Hi. Hello. GU Energy Gels.
No. Yeah.
So it's
We don't have a tax refund.
35,000.
Yeah. And 500 Japanese.
Lalumpig gloves ba? Size 9. Kapag ako may... Can I buy this one?
No, sorry.
Tote bag.
Photograph.
Wow, nice. Thank you. I thought you're gonna give me free shirt. How about hat? Hat. Do you sell hat?
Hat?
Yeah.
You, please, thank you. Sorry. Yes, sorry.
Alright. Kawa na ta. Okay, masih malo tong kwarta diri. Pero gwapo. Nakapalit kog normal. The new release Kiara Groot. Gwapo siya na shoes by. Grabe. Soft. And then, taas kayo siya glag. 6.5 mm. And then, gwapo siya colorway. Black and white. Very minimalist. Anyway,
石川さん、オフィシャルコピーだよ。
let's look for something to drink in 7-Eleven. And then after that, maybe we're gonna head home to rest for tomorrow's event. And then that's it. See you at the starting line. But anyway, I'm excited for tomorrow. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully I can embrace Japan's heat right now since I'm from the Philippines. Kaya naman. It's just that wala lang ako nasanay na ani siya kainit. Kaya I was hoping na at least medyo bugnaw ang hangin. But it's okay. Nakapalit ng bugubang kong sapatos. Gamiton ko na ni Ugma. Good morning, runners. So it's race day. Naka-list na ko. And then mag-refill ako tubig karon. And then inabit ko ako namin sa mong sundo. And then this is actually this will be my first time running. Or ang gun start is as bright as daylight. 8 a.m. So we're gonna be braving through Japan sunlight today. Hopefully I can finish before the sun sets. I don't have a target time. My target only here is to have fun and enjoy my first ever UTMB. And then dala na ako mga gamit. Drop bag, camera, race bib. Mag-refill ako tubig. Then after that, maghulat pa ta sa atong sundo. Ciao!
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Hala, ready na ako. Good morning! Si Ara. Let's go!
こちらで頑張りましてより一層ねこの和太鼓の音色そして力強さに我々もパワーを作り込む
Let's get running! Dami runners. That's the 100k runners. Hindi ko lang sure kung anong wave na. Dami. Wait lang, di tayo makakadaan dyan. Kasi may mga runners. Saan kaya magta-trap? After, pag makalagpas lahat. Drop bag para after finish line may mabilisan. For sure lahat yan may lamang mga pang trail or pang business. Si bib number 3543 Bangil dadaan, Bangil. Rest lang. Kain muna before ma-last tag. May laman. Last tag.
Margarine?
Okay ito. Wala lang saging.
Yun nga, wala sa akin.
Pag may mga cup noodles, mag-uwi ako. Dapat laki ng bag mo, sir. So in 20 minutes gun start na. Takbo muna kami ni Ara. Patanggal ng pre-race jitters. Ikot lang. Kahit isang ikot lang.
Saan tayo?
Dun na. Ito lang yung race. Dami ko naiwan. Grabe. Wala akong petrolyo.
Pero nilagyan ko na.
Walang petroleum, walang ice bandana, walang hat. Isang sapatos ko naiwan. Diyos ko po! Sana walang aberya during the run. Enjoy lang. Trail food ko, isa lang. Sabi ni Lord na mababaon ako ng cup noodles. Tsaka rice balls. Diyan, ikot na tayo. Ang weird na bawal gumamit ng pole until aid station 2. Tapos yung maps walang waypoint. Pero anyway, enjoy lang natin. Tsaka dapat makapili para sa ating first PMT. Ingay na mga bell. Parang may nagbibenta ng ice cream. Unang downhill. Umakyat na kami ng 40 meters. Tapos ito yung unang downhill namin. Going kilometer 2. First aid station will be at kilometer 9. Let's go. Ganda. First uphill. Let's go. Run, walk, run lang tayo. Kilometer 4. Almost 300 na elevation. Lakad matatag. Na-traffic pa, na-traffic. Approaching kilometer 5. Elevation 320. Another uphill. Let's go. So far so good. It's hot, but it's windy. That's okay. Whew. What the hell? Eh, saan din eh? Wait lang be. It's a sharp uphill. Mo dahil medyo na traffic ang mga tao. Maulot ang ma-overtake. Siyempre, this is Japan. 6 km pa lang traffic. Kaya pala bawal mag-pause hanggang aid station 2. That's 14 kilometers. Sayang yung mga runnable section. Kayang-kaya sana takbuhin. Kaya lang, traffic. How many hours?
Yeah.
We've been here for 1 hour and 12 minutes already.
That's all it,
Yeah.
yeah?
The runnable sections are so nakakapanghinayang. Kaya sanang tapusin to ng maybe 8 or 9 hours. Ay Diyos ko, hindi pa maka-overtake kasi nasa single lane section. Sa sobrang traffic, pwede ka pang mag-TikTok. May peak ito sa taas for sure. Let's see anong meron dito sa taas. Hey. Road pala. Right, approaching aid station 1. Look at that view, and it's everywhere. Hopefully there's cold water and cold coke. Can't wait to finish because it's hot and humid. But at the peak, you're okay because the wind is breezing. Nice, it's nice here. Buti na lang may ramen sa aid station tsaka with rice. Sarap. Carbo loading. Let's go. Napag-refill na ng tubig. Ang aid station yun, walang coke. Tubig lang meron. Buti na lang may mga pagkain akong dala. It's okay, let's go. Next aid station will be 8.5 kilometers from here. Kaya pa naman. Pero sana may coke or anything. Kahit electrolytes. Whew. Let's go down here. Kilometers, 1 hour 40 with 600 elevation. Kaya sana ng 1 hour 30 yun kung hindi lang na traffic. The first 10 kilometers was runnable naman. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy para matapos agad. Let's go. Usually kapag ganito downhill ka pa flat, tinatakbo ko na kasi sayang. Pag uphill, nilalakad. Let's go. Yeah. Downhill. Oh. Guys, Kutani Dam. Wow. Ganda. Hindi ka nag-road eh. Sa 13K, almost 4K ang road. So nice. This is Kutani Dam? Kutani, yeah. Nice. Let's go. Alright, 13K. Marathon to go. Let's go. Hey, Sud Canal. Still Kutani Dam. 2 kilometers. Pero karon, currently at 15 kilometers. Elevation gain 718. Medyo dili accurate ilang GPS. Hingon nila at 14K na 8 station. Pero wala man. Hindi lang. Nakapag itubig. Taas na silang road. Uy, mag 5K. 5K ang siguro ni. Kilometer 17. Layo. Alam ko 14. 17 pala. Sana may cook. Saka nagugutom na ako. Diba?
And there, the BP coming station, the exit station is there.
Meron dito pagkain. Ay, salamat. Nice ball. Kakagaling ko lang 8 station 2. Ay, buti na lang may coke. Nakatapong baso ako ng coke. Tsaka 3 onigiri ball. Buti na lang nakapag-replenish. Sarap. May malamig pang tubig na niligo ko. Grabe yung view. Ganda. Pwede na gumamit ng poles. Bye. Wow. Ibang klaseng bridge. Ganda. Bay, grabe ang road. Maganina lang ang trail. Road naman siguro yung paraan. Nice. Grabe yung road. Ngayon almost 60% ng trail road. Currently at kilometer 21. 3 hours 22 minutes. Ngayon nakyat namin 826 na. Pero grabe yung road. Let's go. Approaching 8 station 3. Hindi ko na alam saan to. Refill ulit ng tubig. Ligo kung pwede. Ha! Salamat, watermelon. What's that? Tea? Alright, let me try. Thanks, it's okay. It's alright. Fuck. Can I have Coke, please?
スポーツドリンクはないんですか？
あ、ないです。
Thank you. Hinita. Uy. That's enough. Ay, thank you. May curry din. Chicken? Oh, okay. Where's the next aid station?
9 kilometers.
9 kilometers. Alright, thank you so much. Init. Gabi. Untuk doon. Road gyapon ni. Kilometer 22. Kakalis ko lang ng aid station 3. Kumain ako ng watermelon, Coke. Tinay ko yung tea, walang lasa. Nag-replenish ng tubig. Tsaka naligo ng malamig ng tubig. May kanin naman. Chicken curry. Pero hindi ko kinuha, busog pa ako. Dahil sa kinain kong onigiri sa aid station 2. Next aid station will be at kilometer 30. 9 kilometers ahead. Sobrang init. Grabe. Halfway to the run. Kilometer 25. And guess what? We're still on the road. Ina. Saan ba yung train dito? Puro semento eh. Wala bang trail? Kanina pa kami up and down ng trail, ay ng semento ng road. Kung alam ko lang, di nag road shoes na lang ako. What the heck? Not complaining though, maganda naman yung mga view. Kilometer 27. Sa wakas, nasa trail na din. Ay, salamat. Currently climbing to our highest peak. Hindi ko lang alam anong bundok. I'm just sure that I'm climbing. Dami namin. Buti walang traffic.
Please. Okay, thank you.
Approaching. Hello. Kilometer 4. Ay, sorry. Kilometer 30. Aid station 4. Let's go. Here, Jess. Banana. Mango beans. Kumuha ko ng gel. Kung alam. Sa Davao ko na itatry. May tubig din doon, no? Hello.
Hi guys.
Magkasama na kami ni Ara.
Yay! At 32.
32 kilometers. Buti na lang, trail na.
Yes.
Sana wala nang road.
Ang ganda.
Ganda. Oh,
Into the woods.
ganda.
Ganda. Ikaw.
Ha?
Magical.
5 hours into the run. Si Stingray, naligo na yon. Kami nasa trail pa.
Stingray.
Nag-onsen na si Stingray.
5.
Sa 5 daw eh. Very runnable.
Yes. Ganda rin ang
Halos walang technical. Ganda din ang view. Okay, bye. Akyat muna kami. Kilometer 40. Elevation 2,000. 6 kilometers pero ang elevation 1-2. Puta. Hurot dito akong tubig. Established man siya na trail. Pero grabe, hangad kaayo. Let's go. 15 to go. I just need some water. Dehydrated na kay ko. Napay na bilis ng water. Sip na lang. Pero basig layo pa ang aid station pa. Pero ano ang Marshall? 1 kilometer away na lang man daw. Hopefully. Approaching aid station 5. Lasak. Is this the last aid station?
3 kilometer next checkpoint.
There's aid station there.
Food, coke,
Sorry.
spot drink.
3 kilometers.
3 kilometer. 3.
Okay.
Road, flat.
Long flat.
Road, flat.
Road flat.
Flat.
Nakapag-marathon na ako. Let's go. Konti na lang. Let's go. Piso-piso. Grabe yung uphill kanina. Nakakawala ng moral. 14 kilometers left. 600 ascent to go. Kakayanin. Meron akong 5 hours buffer. Gusto kong tapusin ng 2 oras na lang. 10 hours. Sana makuha ko ng 10 hours. Yay! Aid station 6. I think this is the last aid station already. 12k to go. Right, 12k to go. Ay, may coke. Salamat. Lamia to na aid station. Ay, na noodles, na onigiri. Lami kay noodles ba yun? Saan to? Na pokari, na water, na coke, na saging, na red bean or munggo, Japanese dessert. Pero noon kaon na to, busog na kay ko. So there's a next aid station at 6.7 kilometers. Pero may aakyatin pa akong 470 meters. And then after the next 6.7, 6k na lang finish na. Pero based sa watch ko, may 2 akyatan pa. Anyway, let's go. Finish this one. Congrats, Unifa. Humana ka. Ako nagkagidlay pa. Alright. Dragon's Back Summit. Ganda din. 4.2 kilometers to next aid station. Ito na? 8.4 to go with 200 elevation. Very runnable naman. Ay, salamat Lord. It's currently 6:30 p.m. I think I can finish by 7:45. Hopefully, hindi pa tumilim. Or let's say 8 p.m. Basta makatapos, okay na ako. Ganda naman dyan. Thank you, Lord. Sarap ng weather, Lord. Sarap ng pagkain sa last aid station. Ha? Kuyag storya sa akong sarili, oy. Pwede man tata magbakasyon ng dire. Ang kailangan dyan dagan. Bakta sa oras sakit kayong kilid. After 200 meters, pwede na ko dagan usap. 7.9 kilometers to go with 200 elevation. Mukha na 200 na elevation eh. Asa ko naklaon. Ay, Diyos ko. Kago ba? Nice one. Mo yung mga Japanese rice. Wow. Ganda lahat ng view. Sa trail, kanina, almost 50%. Let's say almost 40% was road. Dito ko naguba sa road ba? Grabe ang road. I was not expecting that. But it's okay. Nabawi naman sa trail. Pag sulod na mag-trail, wapo kahit ang tanan view. Then, the shoes was performing well. Actually, I just bought it. I just bought the shoes yesterday. Yeah. The new normal Kera Groot with 6.5 mm lugs. That's why I bought it. That's why I bought it. Para sa mga muddy tsaka technical terrains. It just happens that this trail was completely runnable. That's why nakuha rin ni Stingray sub 6 with even with low 6 elevation. Runnable siya pero sa uphill di mo guguragan. And then the disadvantage lang since it's a 6.5 mm lugs, sakit siya isemento. Tumutusok si Montiel ang lugs. But sa trail, solid. Napaka-solid mo. Ganda. I was running downhill. Dami kong naturog kasi I was speeding my downhill. Like talagang binabakbak ko yung downhill kasi gusto ko i-try sa sapatos. And the shoes didn't disappoint. Ganda ng shoes. Parang dito pa lang ROI na agad. Anyway, I'm gonna call my wife kasi I think kaya ko nang tapusin to in 1 hour. Susunduin nila ako para sabay na kaming umuwi ng bahay. Approaching I think 7th or 8th aid station. And I believe that this is the last aid station. And then finish line tayo. Hi! Thank you. Galing. Grabe yung vibe. Saya. Napakasaya. Hi, how many kilometers to finish?
Check this one, 50K?
Yeah, 50. Plus 6.8?
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, 3.9 kilometers to finish line. Headlights out. Oh, starting to get dark. 3.8 kilometers to finish line. I still have 67 EG to climb. Hindi ko alam saan kukunin yan. Di ata kakayanin yung sub 11. Sige lang. Basta finish, okay na ako. After nito, I'll meet my family at the finish line. Later na lang ulit. Bye! Grabe namang view yan. 700 meters to the finish line. Ayusa ay. That's why this is what we called trail running. Ganda. Thank you. Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. That's on let's go. 100 meters to go. Thank you. Thank you.